Hello. So the second match of the night just finished, and the result is quite surprising. France are out of the Euro tournament. The game was between Switzerland and France. Switzerland surprisingly scored in the 15th minute. It was 1-0, and then in the second half, Switzerland got a penalty. It was a VAR check, and Switzerland got a penalty. Unfortunately, they missed the penalty. Rodriguez decided to take the penalty, and he missed it. Ricardo Rodriguez. So the score was still 1-0 in favor of Switzerland, and then all of a sudden, in 2 minutes, 2 goals for France. Karim Benzema scored 2 goals in 2 minutes. So I thought at that time, to be honest, I thought the game is going to become one-sided from now. Switzerland will lose the hope. And a few minutes later, Paul Pogba, who plays for Manchester United, he scored a stunner. It was 3-1 in favor of France. At that time, to be honest, I thought the game is completely gone, and it will be absolutely one-sided. They may score 5 goals, and it will be humiliating for Switzerland. It didn't happen. Switzerland again scored in the 81st minute and gave him slight hope. And guess what? They scored again, and it was 3-3, just like the previous game, Croatia versus Spain, 3-3, and went to extra time. But this one, no further goal were scored, and it went to penalties, and I love penalties. And in my previous video 6-7 hours ago, I even told you that I won't be surprised if this match is going to be played in extra time and even penalty shootout, because Switzerland cannot be underestimated. Just like Austria, they even played well against Italy, even they lost. But Switzerland had other plans. They scored 5 after 5 penalties, and Giroud also scored for France. But Mbappe, who was some issues with Giroud, he decided to take the 5th penalty, and guess what? He missed. So it was a good save by Sommer, the goalkeeper of Switzerland, and Switzerland won the game 5-4 by a penalty shootout. So in the full time, the game ended 3-3. But Switzerland qualifies for the quarterfinals for the first time. I guess they don't usually qualify for quarterfinals and move on. Their highest is to qualify for round of 16. It is very nice for them, and the current World Cup champions, France, they are out of Euro. France were also the runners-up of Euro last time. In 2016, France played the final against Portugal, who also got eliminated last night. So the runners-up and champions of Euro last year are already been eliminated simultaneously, one night after another. So Switzerland will play Spain, so it will be also an amazing game. And I hope tomorrow Germany will play England, and later Sweden will take on Ukraine. So 2 good games, especially Germany versus England. It will be fantastic games. And yes, one more thing, I choose my top 3 teams to win the Euro Cup is France, Germany, and England. France are already out today, and Germany and England will play against each other. So that means one team will qualify and one team will go out. So my two of my teams will be out before quarterfinals. So I am not sure if my prediction will come true this time, but let's see. That's all for now. Thank you.